Students, I am going to teach you how to find out the distance between 2 points. This is one point and this is another point. How you will be finding out, how you will be deriving the formula of distance between 2 points. So this is a graph, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Horizontal is x-axis and vertical is y-axis. So find out the coordinate of this point. From this side, if you go to this is x1. To reach over here, first you need to go to horizontal line. That means x-axis. So if you will be going up to x1, then you have to move up to go up to y1. So what is the coordinate of this point? x1, y1. And what is the coordinate of this point? To reach over here, what you need to do? First you have to move up to this. First you have to move up to x2. Then you have to move up to y2. So this is x2, then this is y2. x2, y2. Now you need to find out the distance between these 2 points. Before that, let me tell you how to find out the distance between 2 points. You are starting from 0 and you are reaching up to x1. So what is the gap in between them? The gap in between these two is x1 minus 0. If you are reaching up to this, so you are starting from 0, O means origin. You are starting from 0 and you are reaching up to x2. So what is the distance up to this? x2 minus 0. From this, if you will be taking out this thing, then what you will be finding? You will be finding this one. From this whole, if you will be taking out this thing, you take out this thing. This whole is what? x2. This whole is x2 minus 0 means x2. x2. And this one is what? x1 minus 0 is x1. From this x2, if you will be taking out x1, then what you will be finding? You will be finding x2 minus x1. The same logic applies here. What is the distance? From 0 you are moving to y1. So what is this? y1 minus 0 is equal to y1. And what is the distance from 0 to y2? y2 minus 0 is equal to y2. From this y2, if you will be taking out y1, then what is remaining? y2 minus y1. From y2, if you will be taking out y1, this whole is y2. Take out y1. Then what is this? This whole was y2. You have taken out y1. Taken out means minus y2 minus y1. That's why I have written y2 minus y1. The same logic applies here. This whole was x2. From this whole was x2. From this you have taken out x1. From x2 you have taken out x1. So x2 minus x1. That's why this is x2 minus x1. Now to find out the distance between these 2 points, what I need to do? I have to make a triangle. And this is right angle triangle. So the distance is what? This is parallel to this one. So what is the distance? x2 minus x1. As the distance between these 2 points are x2 minus x1, and this line is parallel to this line, so this will also be x2 minus x1, and this is parallel to this one. So what is the distance? This distance is y2 minus y1. So what I have written? y2 minus y1. So this looks like a right angle triangle. This looks like a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, here it is making 90 degree. So from looking from this side, this is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So what is the formula? Formula is h square. To find out hypotenuse, the formula is h square is equal to p square plus b square. What is p in this case? P in this case is y2 minus y1. The square is there, that's why I have given a square. Plus, what is b? x2 minus x1. Square is there. What I need to do? I need to find out h, not h square. So what I have to do? I have to give a square root sign. But I can't give a square root on my own. If I have to give a square root to this one, so I need to give a square root to this one also. So what is this? H is equal to y2 minus y1 का whole square plus x2 minus x1 का whole square. What is this h? H is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. But I did not find out right angle triangle. I have tried to find out the distance between these 2 points. So the distance is equal to hypotenuse. So this distance, so what I'll be writing in place of hypotenuse? In place of hypotenuse, I'll be writing distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. In next video, I'll be letting you know how you will be finding out the distance of a point from origin. Thank you, beta.